I'm going to go through how to stake several assets with Fireblocks for signing API directly into Kiln dashboard with the example of Atom. This is also the case for Ada, Dot, and Osmo. Here we're using Fireblocks, which is the most popular solution for text custody. Using Raw Signing API overcomes the challenge of the asset not being supported by Fireblocks within the Wallet Connect integration. Let's go into it. In the stake page, I'm going to select the asset I want to stake, so Atom. Here, in the staking module, I'm going to select the account I want to stake toward, so testing account. I'm going to connect my Fireblocks. In this page, you have to input your API key, your secret key, and your Fireblocks vault account ID. For me, it's number 7. I then connect to interface with Fireblocks. Now I need to select the amount. I'm going to put 0.01. Then I click stake. You can see here that the transaction is serialized by our API. If you want to see what is being sent to Fireblocks for signing, we have built this decoder, which is open source. Here, the transaction is decoded within multiple parameters, so you can check the amount, the gas fees, etc. I'm going back to my Kiln dashboard page. And I have approved the transaction within my Fireblocks. And now you can see that the stake went through. I have congrats. You have successfully staked 0.01 Atom on our Atom validator. I can see my transaction within the block explorer. Then if I go back on the Kiln dashboard, I'm going to Overview, Account, then the testing account, Atom, and I will see my stake popping up here with the validator, the wallet ID. That's it for now. Thanks for listening.